Bitcoin looks extremely dangerous here, and you need to see this as a Bitcoin holder because Bitcoin is breaking down currently and we will see more downside coming for Bitcoin. But this is exactly what we predicted over the past 2 weeks, and right now my trades are literally printing here. The first short 13k in a profit, and the second short I opened up yesterday got hit and approximately $9,000 in a profit. But right now, I will share my insights about the market and what I am doing next with those open profits and trades. I will deep dive into that in today's daily update video. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel if you love those updates and like this daily update video. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because I've been finding something in this monthly Bitcoin chart which is not really good here. Because every single time the Bitcoin bottom was in, volume was kicking in the market with a spike here. That is exactly what we have been seeing in 2022. We saw a massive volume spike towards the downside, so sell momentum, and after that Bitcoin started to rally on towards the upside. Why is this so important to see? Right over here we shook everyone out of the market, and after that a big buy candle came in, and this is usually what we are seeing at bottoms: manipulation and accumulation, and that is exactly what we have been seeing in 2022 here. 2020, I'm sorry. But that was not the only time, because in 2022 we also saw first a massive sell order, sell candle coming in, sell volume hitting the market, take everyone out of the market. And after that, the volume was pretty high at the bottom, and the bottom was created and Bitcoin started to rally on towards the upside. If we compare those volume spikes here at the bottom and what we are currently seeing right over here, is just very, very bad, because this volume just looks like something right over here and right over here where Bitcoin started to rally on towards the downside. Volume isn't kicking in the market right now, and that is exactly what we want to see for a good Bitcoin bottom. This could indicate for a further move towards the downside for Bitcoin, because this is not really good, and this is also not where bottoms are formed currently. With that, on the lower time frames here, at the 4-hour and 8-hour time frame, we are breaking down. We have been talking about this compression zone for a while here, and Bitcoin was breaking down, and yesterday I said if we are breaking down on the retest, is probably the perfect time to enter up short positions, and with that Bitcoin will see further movement towards the downside. Exactly as predicted, Bitcoin is dumping massively from off that old support zone. With that, I also said that I want to open up a new position on Bitcoin. Like I said right over here, the retest, then we will see more downside coming for Bitcoin. With that, I said I want to open up a short position, and I set 2 limit orders on UBIT here. 3.5.33 Bitcoin here was at a limit order. Before it even got hit, I showed this in yesterday's daily update video, and guess what? That limit order perfectly got filled here with the Bitcoin I want to buy, and with that we have been in a small little drawdown of 2k, but after that Bitcoin started to rally massively towards the downside, and right now this trade is in an $8,000 profit here, which is just massive, because it's completely transparent and completely free shared before it even happened here. And that was not the only trade I've been opening up on Bitcoin, because I've been talking about this Wyckoff distribution for the last few weeks here, and nobody was talking about this pattern. But I was hesitating on this breakdown and on this pattern, and I still think this pattern has a target of $75,000, and that is exactly where I want to run my shorts toward. But when I saw this happening, I opened up a short position over on Bitcoin, and with that I am short, which is currently 12.7k in a profit. We have been opening up this trade right at the top, right over here. This limit order was set before it even got hit here. The case I want to make is I literally share trading setup before they even getting hit here. You can love or hate me, but every single time when I open up a position, I will share it completely live in those daily update videos. And right now, I am running in a $21,000 of a profit. Completely transparent and before it even got hit, because this trade I literally discussed yesterday. If you watched yesterday's daily update video, you could have set this limit order as well. And right now this trade with the 7x leverage is running in a 21% profit. That is just massive, completely for free. And with that, I am building something behind the scenes here for you, completely for free, that you can learn exactly what I am doing in the markets here. With that, it will launch fairly soon. You could join the free Telegram group with the link in the description right over here, and you will be the first one to getting the announcement what is about to drop here, because this can literally change the life and the trading for you forever. It's completely free. So please make sure to join the free Telegram group to see every single announcement and to be the first one to enter what is coming next here. With that, right now, we are dumping even further, and I wouldn't be surprised if we will see 75k happening fairly soon here. But with that, right now we are breaking down of this wedge pattern, and this is a bearish pattern. But the targets of those patterns are literally the start of the impulse, and this is exactly at the $66,000. Right now, we are breaking down, and if we really break down from of this trade, from of this wedge, my trades are not even done printing here. My trades will print even more, and I will keep them running towards those targets, because this trade can literally change the upcoming months for Bitcoin. Completely transparent and completely free. I share this trade and I will keep you updated about this trade every single day here. If we pump from this point in a loss, no problem, I will share it, because I'm a profitable trader and losses are also with trading. But right now, I'm on the right side of the market and I'm printing fairly hard here. So please make sure to join a free Telegram group to be the first one to notice what is about to hit the market here, and you will be the first one to enter and you will have the biggest benefit from what is dropping next. So for now, I'm really wanting to see what Bitcoin is doing next. It doesn't look really good for Bitcoin, but if we fairly drop further on towards the downside, we will probably see next week getting very bearish for Bitcoin. With that, I will have probably targets of end of next week at the $75,000 mark, and with that, this trade is hitting 25k profit, and this trade is probably hitting another 20k profit. That could be a trade of approximately $50,000, because right now 9k running in a profit. And to be fairly honest, I don't think Bitcoin is yet done here with dumping, and we will probably see further downside coming for Bitcoin. If you want to be updated about the market and what is coming next towards Bitcoin, please make sure to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. But the most important part is join the free Telegram community to see every single announcement about what is dropping completely free in the market in the upcoming weeks. And with that being said, I would love to see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.